Were you interested in someone and got rejected? Good. Here's why. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zaid.
And I'm Hiba.
We're a married couple and professional matchmakers.
One of the first questions we ask our clients is, what has your marriage journey been like so far? And almost every answer includes something like this:
Apps,
ghosting,
talking stages that go nowhere.
and of course, rejections.
After hearing hundreds of stories, we've noticed people usually fall into one of two buckets. You know this one. That first proposal feels exciting, you're hopeful, you're imagining your life changing. Then suddenly you get that message. Sorry, I don't think this is going to work. Or, my parents want someone more established. Or even worse, no message at all. I know, this hurts a lot. But here's the thing. When we apply to a professional school, we usually expect to be rejected. We know that first school probably won't work. And in hindsight, we realize that that program probably wasn't a right fit anyways. So why do we treat marriage any differently? I was rejected plenty of times. And yes, it was frustrating, and at times even made me bitter. That's human. But every rejection taught me something about myself and who I wasn't compatible with. We've had clients cry on calls multiple times because of how many rejections they faced. Some pause their search for a while and some indefinitely. Don't let rejection cause you to quit. Let it refine you.
Now let's talk about the other side. That client who keeps rejecting match after match, waiting for someone better. If this is you, ask yourself honestly, are you genuinely searching for marriage or for validation? Are you rejecting people because your values conflict or because you're secretly chasing perfection? And lastly, is it standards or is it ego? And here's the uncomfortable truth. If you live in the West, you're a part of a minority. We don't have unlimited options. Pickiness is not a luxury we can afford. Being selective is good. Being unrealistic is not.
Being rejected doesn't make you unworthy. And rejecting a few people doesn't mean you have unattainable standards.
The goal isn't to avoid rejection. It's to learn from it without letting it harden you or inflate you.
What's the worst rejection you've had? Or were you the rejector?
Drop it in the comments below and let's start a conversation.
Until next
time.
Assalamu
Assalamu alaikum.
alaikum.